In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable CPR indicator in Tradingview. By the end, you'll have the central pivot range showing on your chart and know exactly where to find it each time you set up a new layout. First, head to your Tradingview dashboard and open the chart you want to analyze. Any symbol and time frame will work, but remember that CPR is derived from the prior period's price action, so many traders prefer using it on intraday charts while referencing the daily session data. Once your chart is open and visible, make sure you're in a clean layout so the new lines are easy to spot when they appear. Next, look to the top of the chart and click Indicators. This opens the Indicators and Strategies panel where you can search across built-ins, community scripts, and your favorites. If the panel covers your chart, that's normal. You can drag its edge or just keep it open while you search. In the search bar, type Central Pivot Range. You'll see a list of results with different versions. CPR stands for Central Pivot Range, a set of 3 levels built from the previous session's high, low, and close. The middle band is the pivot, and the upper and lower bands form the range. Traders often use a wide CPR to anticipate potential range-bound behavior and a narrow CPR to watch for breakout conditions. From the results, click the one labeled Central Pivot Ranges, CPR, and 3x VWAP and bar colors. This version adds CPR to your chart instantly. Give it a second to load and you should see the CPR lines appear, often accompanied by VWAP options and optional bar coloring. If your chart looks cluttered at first, don't worry, that's just the default style. You can open the indicator settings gear later to fine-tune colors, line thickness, or hide the VWAPs if you only want the CPR levels visible. If you don't see the lines immediately, try zooming out or switching to a time frame with more recent bars. Some symbols or very short time frames may require a quick refresh to display correctly. Also, keep an eye on the indicator title to confirm you selected the exact version mentioned here, as there are multiple CPR scripts with similar names. That's it. You opened your dashboard, accessed indicators, searched for Central Pivot Range, and added Central Pivot Ranges, CPR, and 3x VWAP and bar colors to your chart. Consider saving your chart layout so CPR loads automatically in future sessions. With CPR visible, you can quickly gauge potential support and resistance zones and plan entries, exits, and risk